Hey friends, hi, what is up? We are here, as you can tell, to do another stuffing of Mini Madness and the Hey Boo Savings Challenge binder. I am so excited. I am very, very curious to see how far this money is going to get us in this binder. I am ready to finish it, even though I think I've only done it 2 other times so far. But yeah, I am just ready. So what do we have to work with? We have $60 today. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 22, 4, 6, 8, 30, 32, 4, 6, 8, 40, 42, 4, 6, 8, 50, 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. $60, and this money is coming just from a buffer in my bank account. Again, I under budget. I budget every time I do a budget. I budget with less money than I actually get paid, and that is simply to give myself, you know, a little fail safe so that if I forget a bill or something that, you know, I don't go negative. So that money builds up in my bank account, and I like to do an extra stuffing every once in a while, and I want to get that in savings just so that it doesn't get spent. So we're going to do Mini Madness. Yes. All right. So this is my Hey Boo Savings Challenge binder. It is available in my Etsy shop, and it is 13 challenges. I believe. I'm checking. Yes, 13 challenges. It does not come with an envelope. This is an envelope that I had that I just attached. It comes on the rings, and these rings, you can easily open them and put an envelope on here, or you can put this in a binder or whatever you want to do. But it is available, as I said, if you're interested in grabbing it. So what we're going to do is as you can see, I numbered all of my challenges in the corner of each one. I am going to roll a die, and there's 13 challenges, and I have a 20-sided die. So if I get anything above 13, I'm just going to go ahead and choose which challenge to do. And yeah, the die is going to tell us what we're doing. I don't think we have any of these finished yet. Again, I believe I've only done this 2 other times, so we definitely still have a ways to go on this yet. Also, if you happen to notice on the inside of the cover, this was an oopsie, and so I just saved it for myself. No sense in wasting it, you know, it's just the cover page. So we're gonna get going, and let's roll and see where we're going first. Okay, number 6. So you guys, this is my, like, officially my last video that I will be filming in this house. We are moving. So today is what day? Wednesday. It's Wednesday, November 6th. This weekend, my plan is to move as many boxes as I can. And then Monday is when the movers are coming to move the furniture. So we are officially moving, you know, this weekend / Monday. But Monday will be like the first night in our new house. Let's roll a 6-sided die. And we got a 2. And so I have a video coming out today or tomorrow. I can't remember, honestly. So $2 going in. And then I have a Temu haul coming out for this weekend. And then this video, that is a 9. This video right now that you're watching on Monday. So Monday, again, because we are moving, this is another roll and save. I wanted to try to get a video out Monday for you guys because I obviously will not be able to film at the new house on Monday because we are moving. And so that is the purpose of filming this video. Okay, so you will be seeing this Monday, and I am probably moving right now. All right, number 12. So I did say, okay, this is a traditional scratch off. Let's go here in the corner. I did say in my savings challenge reveal video, my member reveal video, that I didn't think I was going to film anymore, but as I said, then I thought, okay, I actually do need a video for Monday, so here we are. $2. I should have gotten the vacuum and I didn't, but oh well. I did say in that video I was thinking about closing the Etsy shop, but I hadn't really decided. And I am going to, I think I'm just going to close it like Thursday night just for the weekend, just for physical items. None of this is really going to matter because by the time you actually see this video, it's already going to be after that anyway. All right, let's see. We have a $4. Let's do this $4 here. Let's see. I'm going to put this one back and then I'm going to take a 5. And I'm realizing now I forgot to get prop money to condense this, so we'll have to do that at the end, but that's fine. So yeah, I think I am going to close it. I will go ahead and make, okay, number 20, so we get to choose. I will go ahead and make a post on my YouTube community tab and probably Instagram just to let you all know that it's going to be closed, but you can still get digital items. Again, I don't even know why I'm saying this because you're already, like, the weekend's going to be over by the time you see this. But, you know, it's Monday now when you're watching this, and it's probably still going to be closed. Okay, so blood type AB is $3, so let's pull 3. And so, yeah, I don't know exactly when I will be reopening it. 17 is another choose your own. Let's just stay here because why not? I would love to get it back open on Monday, but I don't know if that will happen or not. So we will just have to kind of see, and I'll try to remember to make another post when the shop is back open. Okay, B is $2. Let's grab another 2 and roll again. 19, choose again. I'm just going to stay here, you guys, because this page has a lot of scratches, and so why not just make some progress with it? The whole binder eventually needs to be done anyway. Okay, type O is $4. I'm going to take a 5 and put back a 1. And so let me know how you all are. Number 4 again. Let's see, we have another 4, so let's do that. Get that big number out of the way. We're knocking this one out. We only have 3 more on this. So 2 and 4. And number 5. Another scratch off. You guys, as soon as I'm done filming this, have to start the daunting task of packing up my office. Now that I know I will have a video at least for Monday, 2 and 4, I can put my binders away and things like that. Number 7. And yeah, I'm gonna just pack up my whole desk. Okay, let's see, the highest number here is a 4, so let's do that 4. And so yeah, it's crazy. It's the end of my setup here. I have no idea, number 10, what my setup's gonna be like at the new house. I'm hoping it's gonna be okay in terms of lighting and everything. It's in a basement, and the windows are just like the really high up like basement windows, so I'm not gonna have a lot of natural light, or any really, I guess. So yeah, I'm just hoping it's okay. It might even be better than what I have now. Who even knows? I don't. All right, $4, 2 and 4. Let me see, we don't have any 1s in here. I might actually end up needing to get some 1s or break the 5s or something. I don't know, because we're already really low on 2s. We'll just see how it goes. Okay, number 6. So, as I said, let me know what you all are up to. Let's see, $2. Going again with these 2s. And I don't know. I just don't even know what to say. I'm trying to multitask right now. I hope you all are having a great week, even though it's Monday. Okay, number 11. Let's go here. And so, yeah, things are just going to be, like, really crazy, I guess, from now on. Like, they have been crazy for a while, but AB is $3. But I guess they're going to be even more crazy now. All right, 2, 4, and 5. We're going to put this all back and just take a 5. And let's see, number 9 again. So we have our roll and save here. 5. Okay. Now I will say I have been, so this money, if you've been with me, you know. Let's see, number 15. Let's go, I guess we'll go here again. I did say that this money is going to go towards my 1K challenge. I still plan on doing that, but the 1K challenge, I'm now considering splitting. So I was originally going to give the entire 1,000 to my mom. So A is $1. But now I don't know. I'm thinking about maybe giving her 500 of it and putting 500 towards a credit card, because you guys, to be honest with you, I have been racking up debt. All right, let's do this $3. I have a lot of stuff on my Home Depot credit card because, you know, house. But I also have a lot of stuff on my other credit cards. So I don't know. I'm undecided yet. And yeah, am I proud about it? Absolutely not. But I don't know, you guys. All right, this one's $3. So I do need to kind of get that under control. I am like kind of in a spiral right now, I guess you'd say, in a bad way in terms of spending. And I got to try to get myself out of it. So, all right, we have enough to go, I think, at least one more time. Let's see what we get. 14. And that is choose your own. Let's go here since we've only done one of these so far. So let's scratch My Remains. These are some silly little names here on the tombstones. All right, $1. I'm trying to think if I have anything else to tell you guys. I guess not. There's really nothing new going on around here. Okay, number 8. I did have a live this past weekend. If you're interested, you can go check out that replay. That's about it, you guys. All right, $1 here. These are just so satisfying to scratch off the entire thing. I usually don't ever scratch off the whole thing on any of my challenges, but I don't know, something about like the lamination just makes me want to scratch the whole thing. All right, 14. Going back here. Let's do Man Down for $2. And let me know, I know a bunch of you have been picking up this binder, so if you are finished with it, I'd love to know how much you saved with it, because everyone's amount is going to be different because of the roll and saves. All right, we can do probably one more. So number 18. All right, let's go back here once again, and we got blood type B, and that is $2. So 1 and 2. Oops. And let's see, we have $3 left. So should I risk it? I don't have a 3 on there, but I could do a 2 and a 1 and almost knock that one out. I could write a 3. I could risk it. But I think what I'm going to do is just do this $3 here, and that way we definitely don't have an IOU. And I think that is the smart way to go. All right, let's see what we have left here. Oh, there's a 3 there I could have done also. So we have a few there, lots there, couple left on that one, bunch there. So we do have quite a ways to go yet, it looks like. And I think I had said I wonder if I could get to 300 with this. So we're going to put in the money and we're going to see how far we are. Let me move all of these shavings out of the way. Okay, and then let me go ahead and grab $60 here from the prop money box. So we have 10 and 50 makes 60. And then let's go ahead and see what we have in here, you guys. I'm very excited to know, very curious, and once again, really, really wondering how much this is going to total up to. All right, so far in here we have 50, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 170. Okay, almost 200 in here already. And yes, I love it. Okay, so this, you know, as I said, you're watching this video on Monday. I don't know about videos for the rest of this week, again, just because of moving and everything else. Now, I do get paid this week. Let's see, what's today? Yeah, I do get paid this Friday, so I definitely need to do a cash stuffing no matter what. The setup might look weird. I might have like a like a one-off setup for just a couple videos. But I need to do that cash stuffing. So I guess there will definitely be videos later on this week. I typically try to have videos every other day, which means the next video would normally come out Wednesday, but I may not have a Wednesday video, just FYI, because of everything going on. But I should definitely, hopefully, have a Friday video for you all. Okay, that is it, my friends. Thank you so much for watching and for all of your support. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!